Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mohammed Samad, your English instructor from English Venglish. النهارده ان شاء الله يا جماعه هنكمل session 7, okay, which is word endings. Okay. It's a very nice session. All right, so it's pretty cool, pretty nice, and I guess you're gonna like it. Okay. Type word endings. What does it mean? Okay, but like the final sounds. Okay, let me just get my pencil here. Okay, make sure that the final sounds in your words come through clearly and fully. Don't drop off or shorten the endings. Okay, what does it mean? هنشوف دلوقتي في endings زي مثلا ال P. Okay, no, P and B. Okay, it's very important guys. P and B. طيب تفرق بين ال P وال B ازاي؟ ال P and B. Okay, P as in pen and B as in book. Okay, مفيش بقى ولا خفيفة ولا تقيلة ولا الكلام ده، انسى الكلام ده قدم. تمام. P just بتطلع air out of your mouth. Okay, P. People, pen, paper. If we get a pen, a paper like this, piece of paper, okay, say right? Left paper. لكن book الورقة اتحركت، الورقة ما اتحركتش، صح؟ يبقى ايه؟ people, paper, right? في هوا بيطلع من الفم بتاع من mouth، صح؟ لما تقول book, bar, okay? If we say problem, B will be، صح؟ P and B، صح؟ لما نقول problem، طيب ال P أو الهواء إيه؟ نفخ الورقة، صح؟ يبقى الورقة إيه؟ اتهزت. أما لما قلت ال B التانية متهزتش. problem, right? That's it guys. This is just practice, okay? لأن الخطأ عند العرب في ال P وال B، وهي أصلا it's no problem at all. والانترفيوز في في ناس ما بتتابعش فيها بسبب ان هم بينطقوا ال P B. okay, نقول people بيقولها people ايه، ما ينفعش، غلط. it's a mistake guys, so you gotta practice it. لان انت لو اتقنت وماسترت الحاجه ديت خلاص كده يبقى انت you're gonna be different from the others. okay, you're gonna be at the top of the candidates for a job, for interview or whatever. okay, you're gonna be accepted and selected يعني. طيب تعالى بقى نشوف I hope the group will sleep on the ship. okay, so ال P هنا بيقول لك يعني endings يبقى clearly and fully. تمام، يبقى واضحة وكاملة في الكلام. Was the egg drop soap cheap? Alright, so I hope the group will sleep on the ship. B endings like Rob broke his golf club when he slept on the ice cube. Okay, the ticket stub was found in the taxi cab. Alright, طيب نيجي بقى لل T endings. Alright, so Kate left her cat on the mat as she flew a kite. What bait will make the fish bite? A cricket or a piece of meat? Alright, D endings like Fred will decide which sled should be painted red. Okay, he couldn't hide his report card behind the chalk board. Alright, 3 rules for ED endings. بقى نيجي بقى للمهم. ED endings. Okay, that's very important. 3 rules. Okay, and ED endings. Okay. Alright, the first one is T. في طبعا بتنطق زي Z S كده، فاكرين S and Z and IZ نفس T برضو. ED endings لها 3 rules. Okay, which are T, it's pronounced T, and it's pronounced D, and it's pronounced ED. Okay, what does it mean? Alright, it means rule number 1, when the word ends with unvoiced sound where the ED pronounced T. خدنا الفويس وال unvoiced عرفناهم. Pa, ta, da, ta, v, f, v, s, z, sh, j. Okay, and ka and ga. Right? طيب نيجي بقى طبعا للrule number 1. Okay, when the word ends with unvoiced sound. Okay, unvoiced sounds انا هنفهمهم. The ED pronounced T. Okay, زي today I jump, yesterday I jumped. Okay, you gotta just trust me. You gotta pronounce it like that. Jumped pronounce it T. ليه؟ لأن P it's on voice sound. ال ED جت بعديها يبقى خلاص it's pronounced T. زي today I walk. Yesterday I walked. Alright. Also كلمة ask guys. Okay. الماضي بتاعها ايه؟ asked. You say asked. I asked his number. I asked him for his number, but he didn't give it to me. Okay. I asked him for his number, but actually it's supposed to be her, right? So I asked her for her number, but she didn't give it to me. Okay. She just rejected me. It's okay. No problem, guys. You gotta deal with rejection all the time. All right. Okay, so that's number one. Okay, rule number one, which is ed, it's pronounced T. امتى؟ لما تبقى اخرك تبقى تيجي بعد ايه؟ حرف unvoiced sound. Alright, ed تيجي بعدها حرف او بعد حرف unvoiced like jumped, walked, asked. Okay. Rule number two, when the word ends with a voice sound, لو جت بقى ايه قبلها voice sound, ال ed pronounced D. Okay, pronounced D عادي. Like today I rob. Yesterday I robbed. Okay. I poured the milk. I spilled some juice. L, it's voiced ahead, consonant voiced, and R, it's consonant voiced. So I poured the milk. Okay, I poured the milk. I spilled some juice. وهكذا يبقى voiced. I vowel sound. Vowels ما vowels. عارفين ال vowels are voiced. Okay, so it's pronounced like that. Needed. لا needed دي هنجيبها تاني. Rule number 3 بقى. تعرف needed بقى we wanted. Rule number 3, when the word ends with T أو D. طب لو الword انتهت ب T أو D وهنا ايه؟ حطينا ED بعديها. اتنطق ازاي؟ اتنطق ED أو ID. Okay, اتنطق ED actually. زي today I lifted the ball. Yesterday I lifted the ball. Lifted. تدي حقها. I lifted. Okay. He handed me his report. انتهت بدي جت بعدها ED يبقى it's pronounced ED. Okay. I handed me his report. Okay. She voted this morning. She added some info. Okay. So it's not an ED عادي لو جت type T أو D. Okay. So that's the 3 rules for ED. سهلة وبسيطة. يبقى it's pronounced T امتى؟ لما تيجي بعد unvoiced sound like jumped, asked, walked. Okay. طيب D لو جت بعد حرف متحرك أو voiced sound. Okay. Vowel or consonant. Vowel, so consonant voiced. So today I robbed. Yesterday I robbed. I poured the milk. I spilled some juice. Okay. ED it's امتى ED لو جت انتهت الكلمة ب T أو D وجت بعديها ED, so it's pronounced ED. Okay, so today I lifted the ball. Yesterday I lifted the ball. He handed me his report. She voted this morning. She added some info. Okay, that's it, man. Okay, that's it. طبعا طب في ملحوظة هنا أو في نقطة بس كده اللي هي wanted. كلمة wanted wanted صح؟ انتهت ب T want وبتيجي بعدها wanted اللي هي ايه؟ تنطق ED. ماشي؟ بس الامريكان في الامريكان native speakers في الفاست سبيتش بيقولوها I wanted to ask you something. For example, I wanted to ask you something. بيقولوا I wanted to ask you something على طول. تمام؟ ما بينطقوش ما بيقولوش I wanted. لا. في speech بيخلوها casual, more casual شوية في الانجلش American English. You know it's casual. Okay, so I wanted to ask him something. Okay, I wanted to give you something. I've been meaning to tell you about something actually. Okay, so I wanted to tell you something. I wanted to tell you something. على طول بيخطفها كده بينطقها like I wanted to tell you something. بينطقها دي. تمام؟ لأنها طبعا المفروض دي صح؟ ولكن هنا بيخطف التي ما بينطقش التي عشان هنا في ان actually قبل ال في ان. تمام؟ في ان قبل ال T. Okay, so it's dropped actually. So بيضغموها مع بعض. I wanted to ask you something. بيقولوها دي بقى. I wanted to ask you something. I wanted to go home. Okay, yesterday I wanted to go home. for example, I just wanted to tell you that I love you so much. For example, yeah, just a wife or her husband. I just wanted to say I love you so much. Okay, that's it. So let's practice word endings. بالword endings ركز في P والB في pronunciation عموما. والword endings بتبقى clearly and fully. Okay. T endings و D endings نفس الحكاية. طيب اتكلمنا عن ED endings بقى 3 rules T و D و ED. T لو جت قبل voice sound. D لو جت قبل voice sound. لو ED لو جت قبل T أو D تبقى pronounced ED. قلنا wanted. okay, wanted بتنطق wanted بس الامريكان native speakers بقى I wanted to do something. I wanted to do something. اسمعها كتير في الموفيز والسيريز طبعا. series as I told you you gotta just listen a lot. okay, كل ده هتسمعه في الشورت ستوريز اللي جايه في ال 15 American phonetics 15 مستوى 15 levels of American English اللي هنشرحهم تمام بعد الكورس ده على طول. فكل ده هتسمعه. فانا بجهزك وبحضرك للي جاي تمام عشان لو اتأسست في ده خلاص you're all set right now. okay, you're all set يعني you don't need anything else. okay, you're all set. you're تمام كده انت تمام 100. So practice sentences. Let's see. Bob racked and voice sound racked the leaves and then started to wash his car. He then loaded up the dishwasher and finished washing his dishes. Okay, so Bob racked the leaves and then started to wash his car and then loaded up the dishwasher and finished washing his dishes. Okay, so he thanked me and offered me money if I picked up the used equipment. Okay, so he thanked me and offered me money if I picked up the used equipment. So he thanked me and offered me money. Okay, so he thanked, all right, offered, D, all right, me money. Then I picked, right, and voice sound picked, T, up the used equipment. Okay, so 3 nasal sounds like M, N, and NG زي ما قلنا والL of course it's a nasal sound. M and N and NG. طيب NG endings. طيب ال NG endings يا جماعة في ال ING اللي هو الفعل اللي مضاف ليه ING هو اللي ما بيتنطقش. الجي ما بتنطقش في الآخر. لكن زي حاجة زي rang, sang, sang and bring. It's like في غنة كده تمام. يبقى الجي كده بتبقى خفيفة ما بتنطقش جامد. لما بتقول ring لا rang. I have a ring in my hand right now. A ring يعني خاتم. Sing يعني يغني. I sing a song every day. I sing a song every day. So I sing a song every day. So الجي بتبقى خفيفة في النطق خالص. Thing, alright, I have a thing for you. I have a thing for you. I have a thing for you. Actually, this is an expression. It means that I like you very much. I have a thing for you. Means when you say to a girl I have a thing for you, that means it's like I like you very much. All right, very much. Okay, so I have a thing for you. I like you very much. Okay, bring me that chocolate, please. Bring me chocolate. I love a chocolate. Okay, so bring me chocolate. Alright, this is it. Alright, so this is the word endings. Alright, بالنسبة لل-ED لل-NG قصدي M وال-N وال-NG. طيب word NG endings the practice sentences. I have a feeling that she's working too much. I have a feeling that she's working too much. Right? A feeling لا I have a feeling for you. Or I have a feeling that she's working too much. She has been على فكرة مش been لا. She has been wearing a hearing aid so that she could sing. Right? She has been wearing a hearing aid so that I could sing or she could sing. He's looking forward to speaking at the Thanksgiving celebration. Speaking, right? So no G at all. He's looking forward to speaking, looking forward to بيجي بعدها ING على طول. يبقى he's looking forward to speaking at the Thanksgiving celebration. So the G isn't pronounced at all. Okay, so drop the G at all. Okay, rang, sang, thing, and bring. Alright, بتبقى خفيفة جدا في ال sentence words. Okay, so I have a feeling that she's working too much. She has been wearing a hearing aid, so that she could sing. He's looking forward to speaking at the Thanksgiving celebration. Alright, so that's the word endings guide, and this is the session 7. It's very simple, it's very easy, but it's very critical for some points. اللي هو ال ED, how to pronounce the ED at the end of words, but not at T with D with ED. P endings will be endings. P, paper, paper. Okay, piece of paper, a piece of paper. Please, 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 guys. Alright, I'm gonna call book, bar, ball. Right, so there's no air out of your mouth. Okay, but people, par, or pro, bro غير pro. Right, البيانة بتفرق في الكلمات. ال P وال B بتفرق في ال two pronunciation بيفرقوا المعنى من بعض. Okay, so bar أو زي bore, born, barn. Okay, there's no air out of your mouth at all. Just P when you say P. Okay, so it's problem, people, right? Productive, product. It's product right now. I hope, group, sleep, right? Right, so it's like, it needs a lot of practice, guys. Okay, this is by practice. Everything is by practice, and you're gonna be all set with English forever. T endings, all right. So Kate left her cat on the mat as she flew a kite. D endings for red will decide which sled should be painted red. Painted, right? AD, painted, painted red. ساعات بيقولها painted red زي wanted كده. طيب 3 was over eating. T and voice sound, so it's pronounced T. Jumped, asked, walked. Alright, D, it's today I robbed, yesterday I robbed. I poured the milk, I spilled some juice. ED, it's today I lifted the ball, yesterday I lifted the ball. He handed me his report. He needed me for some reports. I wanted to ask you something, or I wanted to ask you something, but I wanted to ask you something. I wanted to go out for a while. Okay, Bob racked the leaves and then started to wash his car. He then loaded up the dishwasher and finished. Yep, it's a sh sound, it's on voice, so it's pronounced T. Finished washing his dishes, IZ, you remember? He thanked me and offered me money if I picked up the used equipment. Okay, equipment. Alright, the 3 nasal sounds, it's M, N, and NG, so rang, sang, thing, and bring. I have a feeling that she's working too much. She has been wearing a hearing aid so that she could sing. He's looking forward to speaking at the Thanksgiving celebration. I have a thing for you. Just remember this. I love you I like you very much. Okay, don't say to the girl I love you from the first time because it's so creepy. So I have a thing for you. I like you very much. So I have a feeling for you. I have a thing for you. I have feelings for you. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope this session was useful for you. زي كل مرة, if you like the video, لو عجبك المحتوى, لو عجبك الكونتنت, يا ريت تعمل لايك وسبسكرايب للقناة وتشير الفيديو عشان ناس كتير تشوفه وتستفاد منه إن شاء الله. وأشوفكم بإذن الله السيشن الجاية. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.